everyone, and welcome back to Coding with Romi. Today we're going to be diving into a classic programming question, which is, should you use a loop or recursion? Now let's break it down with real Python examples. Here's the same factorial function used in recursion from our previous video, where this is used to solve the problem by calling itself with smaller values of n until it hits the base case of 0. So recursion helps express some problems more naturally, like tree traversal or searching through folders. Now we're going to be going through using a loop to solve recursion. Now here's the loop version. So first, here's how you calculate the factorial of a number using a loop. We initialize a result variable and multiply it step by step from 1 to n. Now this approach is much faster, it's memory efficient, and it's easy to understand. You guys can follow through with the code here. I may leave it in the description for you guys to copy and paste. You can just watch through the video. I'll be fast forwarding it. Pay attention to the code. You can do any edits you prefer. I'll also be showing the previous code from our last video as well in a different section on this file here. So while we're going through the code here, what are the pros and cons as it relates to loops or recursion? So loops are better for performance and simpler tasks. Recursion can be more elegant, but it may use more memory because of the call stack. So basically, use recursion when the problem naturally splits, and we use loops when you need raw performance. I do appreciate you guys taking the time to watch my videos. Be sure to like, leave a comment, subscribe. It really means a lot to me. As I mentioned in my previous video, I am no teacher, but I would like to share what I've learned throughout my time within college. And this is a way for me to also stay ahead and making sure that I keep up with what I learned. So which one do you prefer, loops or recursion? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe as I mentioned. Next time, we'll use one of these to build a real mini project, or I may show, I've been working on a login page with authentication using Firebase. I may be showing that one next. We'll see, let's see what happens. But we're gonna be definitely working on a project, and I might just do a playlist with it where we do maybe a website or an application or some forth. But we will definitely be working on something. So thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned, and let's see what the next video will be like. Appreciate the support. Take care, everybody.